Hello and welcome to this video on how to set up your LACCD Microsoft OneDrive. If you've already installed Microsoft Office or you're running Windows 10, then you should already be able to open Microsoft OneDrive by clicking on the bottom right hand corner taskbar and clicking on OneDrive. You can also do a search for OneDrive using the Windows search key. Next, you're going to sign in using your LACCD account. Then click on Work or School. Then click on Next, Next again, Next again, Next, and then optionally you can download the mobile app if you'd like, but we're going to click on Later. Then click on Open My OneDrive. If you take a look at your folder here, you'll see that your files are still in the cloud and it hasn't downloaded to your computer locally yet. To change that, you can go to the OneDrive icon, right-click, go to Settings, then click on the Settings tab and uncheck the Save Space and Download Files as you use them. Click on OK, click on OK again, and now your files will begin to download locally. Now that you've installed OneDrive on your computer, you can easily drag and drop files into your OneDrive folder and it will upload to your OneDrive account. Make sure you're connected to the internet so that your OneDrive folder can sync up with the cloud. Now I'll show you how to upload files using the web browser and your OneDrive account. Go back to mymail.laccd.edu, log in, then on the top left hand corner, click on the dots and then click on OneDrive. Now here's where you can upload files. Click on the Upload button and click on Files. Then navigate to where your files are located, select them, and click on Open. Now here's where you can organize your files accordingly. So the last thing I'm going to show you now is how to share files with other users. There's two things you can do. You can share an entire folder or just an individual file. Either method works the same. Navigate to the folder or file that you want to share, click on the Share button, or right-click on the folder, then click on Share. Here's where you're going to enter in the recipient's email address. Then you're going to choose whether or not you want only people within the LACCD domain to access your file, or if you want to allow any recipient to access your file with a link. Then you can allow editing, which means allowing somebody to delete or modify your file. You can also set an expiration date of when they can access the file, and you can also put on a password. Once you've made your choices, click on Apply. You can send this invitation and they will receive an email, or you can copy a link. Then you can paste that link in an email or whatever method of communication you choose. Now I'd like to show you how to share a file or folder from your local desktop. Navigate to the file or folder that you want to share, right-click on it, and click on Share, but make sure it's the one with the cloud icon next to it. And from this point on, the steps are pretty much the same. That concludes this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.